1960 Bentley S2, standard steel saloon, Mason's black with a dark shell grey roof, metallic and rear quarter. All the chrome's great. It had one owner from I think 76 right the way through to about 10 years ago, and the last owner had the car 5 years, part of a collection. Just had £7,000 spent on the starter motor, and the braking system's completely overhauled, new servos. I'm going to show you running in a second. From the off, electric windows all work. Starter up and drive. It's driving. I'll go outside the car so you can see it, hear it. Drives really well, all the gauges work. Leather's nice, short car's nice. Dash everything. As it should be. Thank you.